The power and speed of the mythical Griffon.
Right there, if that's okay. Yeah, we got Griffon, 5.3K, summer 2025, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Opened in 2007. It's a floorless coaster. Get us ready for a little drop. I see that. 3, 2, 1, drop! This ain't nothing. Griffon gonna take me to the station here.
At this time, please unload.
They're 10 seats across.
Proceeding to the next available seat, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt. Loose articles are not permitted on Griffon. Please ensure that